Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can toggle on or enable uppercase for text and text boxes on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your design on Affinity, and then guys, let me just type in and then what you want to do guys is let me just type in, for example, a text like this. And as you can see, there's the lowercase, a title case, but you can convert all of that, the entire text, into a full uppercase. This is how you can do it, to convert all letters into capital letters. Double click into it, and then guys, what you want to do is you will see this option here at the top next to the font size. Click into it. And instead of using sentence case, title case, or lowercase, choose uppercase. And as you can see now, the uppercase is toggled on, so the entire text has been converted. But of course, if you want to keep typing in upper or capital letters, you will need to use left shift on your keyboard, or otherwise you convert it by using the method I just showed you like this. So that's how you can convert entire text, for example, into uppercase, lowercase, title case, or sentence case without typing. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.